everyone, welcome to the SAM, that is Study Art Motivation and Education, and in this video we are going to discuss about the second part of the anterior triangles, that is digastric triangle. So we have discussed in the previous part, that is the part 1 of anterior triangle, the anterior triangle has 4 sub triangles. Okay, what are those? Submental triangle, digastric triangle, carotid triangle and the muscular triangle. And these 4 triangles are divided by the superior belly of the omohyoid muscle. Okay, whereas inferior belly of the omohyoid muscle किसको divide करती है? ये divide करती है posterior triangles को, whereas the anterior triangles are divided by the superior belly of the omohyoid. Okay, so let's get into the digastric triangle, and this digastric triangle is subdivided into anterior and the posterior part of the stylomandibular ligament. Okay, so हमारे पास stylomandibular ligament है जो कि digastric triangle को anterior और posterior part में divide करता है. Okay, coming to its boundaries. So anterior inferiorly it has an anterior belly of digastric. Posterior inferiorly we have posterior belly of the digastric and the stylohyoid. ये तो याद हो जाएगा, anterior belly of digastric, posterior belly of the digastric. Now coming to the base से भी याद रहेगा, base is base of the mandible. Okay, and the line joining angle of the mandible and the mastoid process. Okay, तो इसके नाम में ही ये सारे नाम छुपे हुए हैं. तो अगर अपन ऐसे पढ़े तो anterior inferiorly anterior belly of the digastric, posterior inferiorly posterior belly of the digastric and the stylohyoid process, and superiorly, or you can say base, is at the base of the mandible and the line joining the angle of the mandible and your mastoid process. Okay, now coming to the roof have skin, superficial fascia and the deep fascia, whereas the superficial fascia have 3 parts: platysma, cervical branch of the facial nerve and the ascending branch of the transverse or the anterior cutaneous nerve. Okay, coming to the floor it has 2 parts, anteriorly and posteriorly. Anteriorly it has mylohyoid muscle, posteriorly it has a hypoglossal muscle. Okay, so it has a small part of midline constrictor muscle of the pharynx appear in the floor. ओके, जब हम कॉन्स्ट्रिक्टर्स ऑफ फेरिंक्स पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें आपको ये पढ़ने को मिलेगा. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, एंटीरियरली इट हैज माइलोहायोइड मसल एंड पोस्टीरियरली इट हैज हाइपोग्लोसस muscle. Hypoglossous is a muscle of tongue. Okay, now coming to its content again divided into 2 parts, anterior and the posterior. Anterior is the structure superficial to mylohyoid जो हमने अब भी पढ़ा फ्लोर में. ठीक है, तो now it has 6 parts, that is submandibular salivary glands, facial vein and the facial artery, submandibular lymph nodes, submental artery, mylohyoid nerves and vessels and the hypoglossal nerve. Okay, तो anterior में अभी तक हमने इतनी सारी चीजें पढ़ी, उससे आपको कुछ चीजें तो अपने आप ही याद हो जाएंगी, जैसे कि you will have submandibular glands तो होती हैं, salivary gland है तो वो रहेगी क्योंकि फिर हम हाइपोग्लॉसल के बारे में बात किए थे, हाइपोग्लॉसल मसल है तो हाइपोग्लॉसल नर्व भी होगी. माइलोहायोइड के बारे में बात किया था तो माइलोहायोइड मसल है तो माइलोहायोइड नर्व्स एंड वेसल्स भी होंगी. देन हमने बेस ऑफ द मैंडिबल की बात करी थी, तो ऑन द बेस ऑफ द मैंडिबल वी आल्सो हैव अ सबमेंटल फोसा, तो वहां पर सबमेंटल आर्टरी भी होगी. ओके, सबमैंडिबुलर ग्लैंड है तो सबमैंडिबुलर लिम्फ नोड्स भी होंगे, और इट इज रिलेटेड टू फेस तो फेशियल वेन्स एंड आर्टरीज तो होंगी. ओके, सो वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज 6 पॉइंट्स. ओके, कमिंग टू द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट. इन पोस्टीरियर पार्ट वी हैव superficial structures. These superficial structures in which we have lower part of the parotid gland, external carotid artery before it enters the parotid gland. Okay, then we have deep structures. Okay, so in posterior part we have three things, that is your superficial structures, deep structures and the deepest structures. Okay, so we have covered the superficial structures, that is lower part of parotid gland, external carotid artery before it enters the parotid. Coming to the deep structures, these deep structures are found between external carotid artery and the internal carotid artery. तो external carotid artery और internal carotid artery के बीच में क्या पाया जाएगा? अगर जनरली भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछे तो आपको ये 6 चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. What are those? Styloglossus, stylopharyngeus. Glossopharyngeal nerve, pharyngeal branch of vagus nerve. Styloid process and the part of the parotid gland. Okay. Then we have the deepest structures. These are internal carotid artery, internal jugular vein, and the vagus nerve. Okay. And this completes your digastric triangle. Sorry. So I hope this video helps you in your academics, and if it does, then I would be really grateful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also comment down if you want any particular topic to be covered in the videos. Okay, thank you so much.